Hazrat Habiba radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife, states that she submitted to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you may marry my sister Azza. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do you like it? She submitted, yes, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but I will not split with you. However, I would like her to share this goodness. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, she is not lawful for me. Hazrat Habiba radiyallahu anha says that she submitted, we have got this news that you want to marry Dhurra, Abu Salama's daughter. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Abu Salama's daughter. Hazrat Habiba radiyallahu anha submitted, yes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if she had not been my stepdaughter, even then she would not have been lawful for me. She is my milk brother's daughter. Suwaiba has suckled her father Abu Salama and me. You must not present your sisters and daughters to me. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3573.